𝗧 here with a Tai Chi for Balance practice video. In this video, I'll guide you through circle number 6 in our 7-circle set, and that is coronal circles plus Kwa squat while feeling our feet in centers. So with that, let's begin. Settle into the basic alignments of neutral posture. Feet parallel, under the hips, knees unlocked, tailbone relaxed down, releasing the lower back. Opening the midriff, creating some space in this part of you. And then lightly lifting up the spine to the occiput. Feeling that light stretch in the back of the neck. Releasing the upper back. Letting the arms hang comfortably at the sides. Get a sense of the chest sinking as you maintain your structure. And dropping your mind down to your feet. Feel your feet. Adjust your posture and alignments to balance the pressures between your feet and on each foot. Neutral, balanced, more or less vertical posture. And move your mind up to the top of your head and drop it down the center of your body to the perineum, feeling your center. In this exercise, we'll aim to maintain a vertical center, except when we're intentionally inclining the center as we do in a Kwa squat. So with that, let's begin. So sink into a Kwa squat. Place your hands at the bottom of your coronal circle, hands angled up 15 to 45 degrees from the floor. Then turn your hips, stretch up through the legs in the Kwa, circle the hands up and out. Turn your hips, sink into the Kwa squat, hands come down and back. Turn your hips, stretch up through the legs in the Kwa, hands circle up and out. Turn your hips, sink into a Kwa squat, hands circle down and in. At the top of your circle, feel your center, aim to have it in the vertical. And then as you sink into a Kwa squat, you can incline the center. Stretching at the top of the circle, releasing that stretch, bending at the bottom. Feeling for any tendency for extending the arms to pull you off the vertical and correcting back to the vertical at the top of your circle. Feeling for a sense of the stretching up through the legs and the Kwa to help lift the hands to the top of the circle, keeping your shoulders soft. Come to the bottom of your coronal circle, change directions. Bending to the back of the circle, lightly stretching to the top. Very nice. Stretching, releasing, stretching, releasing. 2 more. Last one for now. Come to the bottom of your coronal circle, smoothly back to neutral. That concludes this practice video. See you in the next one.